Hello there, my name is Jared, and today I'm going to show you how to create a percussion phrase, or you can call it a loop in Max. To begin with, I usually start by creating or by adding tools or objects that I'm going to use. So we'll first start by adding objects or tools that we'll use. Then secondly, we'll start connecting. That's when I'll explain what each and every object and tool that we're going to add will be doing. So we'll start by adding a slider for our counter. Double click and type inside slider here. There is our slider. Let's put it on top here like this. So secondly, I'll add two number boxes. We can add number boxes just here on top. Here and here. So drag them here and another one here like this. Our third object or tool we are going to add is a toggle. There it is. We'll need a metronome. Of course, we are creating a counter. Let's add 500 in advance. There it is. Third, we are going to add a, what do we need here? A button. Sorry, I usually like to double click, but I can add the button from here, just here. This is a number box, so where's the button? Here, like this. So we're going to put a button here and get rid of this. After adding a button, I'll add a counter. So counter like that. Is it a counter? Yeah, is it counter like that? Yes. Then we can add our figures. We want it to count from 1 to 32 because we are creating 8 bars. There it is. After adding the counter, we'll add another number box. Let's add a number box. Then we'll put these in order, in correct order. Then we'll add, after adding the number box, we'll add what is known as a minus. Yeah, minus, could say -1. There it is. Need more space here. Minus here. Then we can add a radio group. A radio group. This one here. Yeah. So this radio group, we'll expand it later. Yeah, to 32. We'll expand it later. We also need a number box just down here. After the radio group, we did a number box. So these are the items that we need, the items and tools objects that we need to create our counter. So it is easy to connect according to the way I've arranged them. So we start from here to the number box here, just like this. And from the out here, as you can see, it says out incoming or entered number. The number that's in the number box comes out, goes into our toggle. Here the toggle says bang, reverse it. Toggle bang reverses it. There. So output 1 or 0 when toggle is on. So 1 or 0 when toggle is on, which means 1 it is on, 0 it is off. So the whole essence of this toggle is to act as our switch. It's receives a certain number and ons when there is 1. It sends that bang. When it is the 0, it is off, nothing happens. So let's go in the metro. And if you read here, it says here where I've connected it, it says start stop metro. So when the bang comes, it starts the metro according to the number, that the bang that has been sent by the toggle. And in here it says output ticks off metronome. Output ticks off metronome. The output goes in the button here, so that this button here, sorry, let me undo this connection there to there, like this. This should be here, this should be here, this should be here, and from here to here as well, just here. This is our number box again. Put it here. Yes, this is our -1. Okay, let me undo this. There you go. So we are going to connect our radio group. We're going to connect our radio group. So our radio group should count from 1 to 30. So I told you earlier that I'm going to show you how to add this to change. So we change from here, 32 like this. So you see, we have the whole lot of it. Isn't there properly? Come from here. After here, we just make like a corner. Oh, my lines are not that straight. Okay, there you go. Then this number, so from here to here, like this, like this. That's the number box here. So we need another. This connection will come from here to this part, like this. And another one here to there, like that. Put it like this. here is our counter, but let's see if this counter works first before we conclude. So it's counting here. You can see on the screen here, or I want to use my finger. It's counting to 32. There it goes. So this counter, the reason why I had to -1, because I've told it to count from 1 to 32, but it usually starts from 0. So we could have gotten, if this counter automatically starts from 0 to 32, we will have 33 counts. So this -1 here is making it possible for us to have a counting that is exactly 32, because we have subtracted 1 here. And as you can see, as it is counting, it counts from our counter. We finished making our counter, and today we proceed to creating the percussion design. The first thing we'll need here is an object. Then inside that object we'll write SEL space 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For the sake of time, we are going to do a 2-bar and expand it later, because we need to make an 8-bar percussion phrase. So this is 8 count, 2 bars. The second thing I'll add is a button. Let me add a button. I need 8 of these buttons. So I'm gonna do a copy, paste. Oh, this is a toggle. I need a button. Where is a button? This is a toggle. But we also need 8 of these. So let's add the button first. There we go. There we go. There we go. So we need 8 of these buttons and toggles. So the buttons will stand here as just monitors. And let's center this like this. After this, we need a gate. A gate. G-A-T-E. Just like this. A gate. A select. Let's add a button. The button here, it's going to stand here. I have 2 message boxes. 1, 2. So in one message box, I'll just write 1, which is on. This one I'll write open. So this has to be here and this here. The SF play. Our live gain, we need to add our live gain. So I need this in vertical. S I need the sine wave. So this is for my cake. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we can start connecting. So the connection is easy. I'll just demonstrate. First of all, let me connect the select to these buttons. Then secondly, we can connect here at the bottom like this. Let's add the receivers. We get the master master counter. Let's copy this. We'll add it to this. Paste. So this is going to be a receiver. This receiving signal, wireless signal from our counter. Since we added the master master counter, send master, then here we have a receiver master counter. So let's see if it is able to receive the signal. Switch on the toggle. Yes, as you can see, if I switch on the toggle here, that side, I've only added 8 here in 8 counts, but here I added 32. I said 1 to 32, so my counter goes all the way to 32 here. Add an output so that we expand it. We see if it will work, then we can expand it and add more percussions. We can expand it by adding 3 sets for the hi-hat, the clap, and the snare. Object, easy deck. I'll open here, grab a clap and open it. Then I'll start plotting. Yeah, it's working. So it is working. It will work properly when I expand it, but when it comes to 1, yeah, as you can see where I plot, I'm able to get the sound. So here is the expanded I've added, you see we only had 8, we're ending here, but I've added up to 32, and 4 sets of 32 which is our kick, snare, clap, and hi-hat. This is how it looks like in presentation. Let's look for a kick. Let's get a kick from the begin to plot, and as I am plotting, let me play this. Boom. So there it goes, like so. I can increase the no. That's